Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to be showing you easy steps to create a marquee text in Figma. So let's jump straight into it. So I already have my text ready. I have a number of them. So what I'm going to be doing now is to select all of them. Select them. So now that we're done selecting them, the next thing to do is to add auto layouts. Shift A, or you come to the right panel over here and click on auto layouts. Then after that, right click on that same frame and select frame selection. So now that we're done with that, drag your text inside the main frame you're working with so we can get the perfect size. So start from here. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is to come over here, drag your frame, drag it to the end of your main frame, the main frame you're working with, drag it to the end. Make sure that's properly done. Then move to the right panel over here and clip content. So now drag your text outside your frame. Okay, so now duplicate your frame. Duplicate it, hold down your Alt key and drag it out. You know we added auto layout the first time, so what I'm going to be doing now is that there are two different frames now here. So the first frame was the auto layout we added, and the second one was the frame selection we added, right? So now what I'm going to be doing is that the auto layout we added the first time, select it, click on it. Now if you check the left panel over here, you see that I've selected the auto layout frame. This is it over here. So now what I'm going to be doing is that you will move it, you start moving it. So make sure this text here, make sure it matches the one at the top. Let's still move it. Let's see. So make sure this text here matches the one at the top. So now that we're done with that, what we're going to be doing next is to select both frames, move to the top over here, click on this drop down arrow over here and select create component set. So now let's switch to prototype, connect the first frame, connect this first frame to the other one, set it to after delay 1 millisecond, smart animate linear, let's do 8000 milliseconds. Now connect the other frame to the first one, set it to after delay instant. Okay, now that we're done with that, select the first frame inside your component set. Select it, right click on it, copy, then come over to your main frame. Now select the text inside your main frame, then right click on it, then paste to replace. So let's see our beautiful work of art. So let's see the outcome. Select flow, we'll create flow starting point. Then can you see how beautiful it looks? You can slow it down if you want. If you want it to move slowly, you can go back to your component sets and reduce the time we set it to slow down the movement. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching it. I hope to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done that. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Have a lovely week ahead. Bye.